Hey, what's up everybody? Today we have a Mobosstiff EX box. Check out the art box. Includes 2 foil promos, 1 jumbo card, and 4 packs. From the looks of it, looks like modern. All modern packs, no sword and shield. But first, we have a 151 Scyther mini tin. Gonna open this up, check out what's inside. See what these things come with. It's gonna be our very first mini tin from Pokemon 151. Oh, this thing got a pull tab. Did notice there was a hole on the side. Probably should have used that. Look at that, dented. Take a moment to appreciate the art on these tins. I kind of slept on these when they first came out. Might regret that. Funny tip, little bit of information. These two are priced at about the same price point. Crazy. All right, let's see what we got. These come with a little energy coin. Apparently you can get 1 of each energy. We got grass. Okay, that grass one was a little bit underwhelming. Even though I like grass type. Check out the art card. I think it's kind of cool. I like that. Scyther 0, 1, 2, 3, number 123. It slashes grass with its sharp scythe, moving too fast for humans' eyes to track. We got a Bulbasaur up there hiding in that little hexagon. Yeah, that's adorable. I fucks with this. I mean, I mess with this. Got the wheezing. When I first saw these, I never actually took the time to look at the actual, set these right there. Took time to actually look at the details, so all I thought that was in the background was just a bunch of hexagons. I didn't realize that those were coffins. Crazy. That's why I'm saying I slept on this product. These I was expecting to be a little bit more interesting. I mean, that lack of design don't really do much. Just saying, ain't tripping. And let's get into this box real quick. Destroyed that side. Jeez Louise, alright. Major struggle. There we go. Get that out the way. And here we go. We got the promos. Fire promos. At least this Mobosstiff is pretty fire. Let's take a moment to look at him. My boy. I don't really care much for his evolution, but I like this promo. Thing looks pretty fire. Look at that thing. Check that out. Got some stars right there. Found a new design. New design to look for. Yes, sir. The stars. We got the swirls. Got two different swirls. And we got the stars. There's also the circles. But I think the stars is actually something unique. And we also got the Mobosstiff EX theme. Yes, sir. And it is a promo. It's stamped. Just so you know. If you know, you know. We got a jumbo promo with a dude. He's got the stash. Big old stash. Or whiskers. I wonder what they're trying to get out of this dude. Or like what animal he represents. Alright, let's get into the packs. Set them aside with the 10 packs right there. We got Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames with the Tyranitar artwork. Garchomp, my boy Garchomp. We do have a shiny Garchomp in Arceus, so hopefully we can get some luck from that pack. And then a Scarlet and Violet. I think there's a few cards that I'm still looking out for in Scarlet and Violet. Also, if you haven't already picked up a promo, get on that. All right, we got six packs. Okay, I don't know why I thought this was going to be a 5-pack opening. Let's mix the packs up a bit, although they're completely different artwork, so you can really tell. Okay, we'll mix these two up. There we go. We'll save the 151 after we warm up with this, what is it, Scarlet and Violet? Ooh, Scarlet and Violet. Let's go. First card in, we got a Quaxley. Scove. Beautiful artwork. Eating all them berries. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure to set one of those aside. Love that. With the berries. Beautiful. Little touch right there. Cherry berry, peri berry. Beautiful. Charcadet. I'm starting to like this baby Pokemon. Charcadet. We got Lechonky, Florges, Muck, Vivillon. Yeah, Vivillon, Flittle. Make sure I got these piles adjusted. There we go. Flittle, Youngster, and a Reverum Hollow. That Reverum artwork's making me like Reverum. All right, let's get into a 151 pack. See if we can go against the odds today. Probably not, but let's try to get some Heart of the Cards going. Take a moment to appreciate this Nidoran. Always the first Pokemon that I catch in any Pokemon Red or Green playthrough. We got a Ghastly. We got a Paris. We got a Voltorb. Oh yeah, this is 151. That's why there's so many OGs. Got a Clefable. Doug Trio. Beautiful Doug Trio. Simple. I like simple. Haunter. Freakish looking Haunter. Colfine. That suspicious gas. Ooh, it's a hollow. Okay. I'm starting to like these hollows a little bit more. Yeah. I know the Japanese ones are low-key pretty fire. Those are starting to grow on me too, the reverse with the Pokeballs and the Master Ball. Kind of do wish we got those, but these ones are, with the design and the element design, definitely starting to grow on me. Might have to complete a master set of those. And now that we look at this bad boy, I mean, come on. If you haven't already seen the Pokemon 151 Elite Trainer box that I opened, probably haven't. Yeah, we have already opened this. This is my double. A double out of a 10. What the fuck, dude? Gotta mess up the algorithm real quick. But what the hell? Sheesh. Take a moment to appreciate that. Appreciate it more than we should. Shout out to the Squirtle Squad. Dude, I'm excited. What are the odds, bruh? Me and Squirtle be going back, way back. Cannot really explain it, but yeah, me and that boy go way back. Shout out to Squirtle Squad. And this beautiful, hollow, electric energy with the swirly, twirly. That kind of looks like a heart. No, it looks more like a swirl. But yeah, that shit pretty fire. That ish fire. Yes, sir. Got to start using keywords to make sure that it don't filter out the bad words. Right, YouTube? Sheesh. Honestly, I was not going to open that tin. I was really thinking about going and getting a cheaper tin, because these things are really selling for like $20. And I was like, bruh, how is this worth more than the box that literally just came out? I don't know what happened to my flash. All right, everybody. Now that I have fixed the flash issue, turns out I was running on 1% battery. So 5 minutes later, we got 10% battery. Lego. First boy in, spoink. What set is this? I forgot, but tried to make sure we didn't look ahead. Yeah. Still crazy. Pulled that Squirtle. Alt art. Secret rare. Bad boy. Or girl. Darumaka. Drampa. Espeon. I think this is the promo. Stamped promo. We got Sharpedo, Darmanitan, Toxol, Toxicity, Toxtricity, what the hell? Toxtricity? Oh, and the Espeon, I was talking about a free with gift purchase promo from I think it was Best Buy. Only exclusive. Maybe GameStop, but I think it was Best Buy. This one, next pack, I think that was Paradox Rift. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, Obsidian Flames. That's right. Parasol Lady. I was like, I remember looking at the set recently. We got Porygon 2. My boy Porygon. Getting love. Is that Kirimitsu? It is. I know my people. We got Octillery. I think we've already talked about that card. Golbat, enough padding of time. Counting Catcher. I like the Counting Catcher. Let's see what it does. You can use this card only if you have more prize cards remaining than your opponent. Switch one of your bench Pokemon to the active spot. That's actually a lot of work. Masquerain. Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. Tink. Gimme Ghoul. Gimme the Ghoul. Chinyu. Just picked the promo. I think it's that card. No, it is not that card. Basic Energy. Yeah, there we go. Oh, we should go with this this second 151 pack from the tin. And let's see, is this a dead pack? Or do we have a Staryu? Charmander, Spearow, Bellsprout. Hey, that Spearow goes good with that Pidgey from 151. Sandslash, Haunter, Golduck, Cloyster, Hollow, more hollows for the collection, Graveler, Beedrill. See, these hollows, they're all right. I definitely like the border. It's just something about the pattern in the background. That mirror just definitely washes out the design of the card a little bit. That's just me, just saying. Yeah, and then maybe the rainbow is what washes it out. If it was just like straight silver hollow, or even like a gold hollow, probably would not have such muted colors, or it wouldn't mute the colors as much because you just wouldn't have that weird kind of filtered effect. First card in, we got a Joltik. Beautiful artwork. They could have used that for the Picasso painting stuff, promo stuff. We got a Loudred, Remoraid, Punkaboo, Dondozo. Oh, look at that move. I wouldn't be surprised if that was the artist that they commissioned for the artwork. Supplemental Swallow Up. Look at the... What? That effect is very interesting. Surprised people aren't using him. Veluza. These are very, or somewhat new sets, so it might take a while for people to figure out the meta. Technical Machine Blindside. I don't know why, but I kind of want to collect all of these TMs. Snorunt. Love the Snorunt. Have to keep that one for the collection. My shiny Snorunt. Never did get the Glaceon. We got a Magby, Hollow. And yeah, that's the end. All good. I don't even think we did pull anything out of that box. Sheesh. Sheesh. I was like, let's go over the rares. None. It's actually a first, I think. You got the promos. A. What it do though? That thing litty. I mean, come on, bruh. That's a dope little swirl right there. Yeesh. And I mean, I didn't really expect anything. So a double up on a Squirtle, secret rare. Love it. Honestly, was not gonna open that tin. I was looking for some blisters or something else to open up, but those are hidden, and I was not gonna go through all the work to get those out. So bless. I was thinking about getting a playset of these for the Turtle Squad. That would be crazy. 2 more to go. This and Charmander. Still don't have that Bulbasaur. And with that, we only got 1 rare, but it's all good. Take a moment to appreciate this promo. Bye.